Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, I saw this that Vuyokazi posted on her Instagram stories, and you know what? It was so heartwarming for me. So this person, it looks like on Facebook, they said, guess what? My Billions Deco company is going back to Cape Town again this year to style and celebrate Vuyokazi's 6th birthday. Vuyokazi Nciweni, thank you, Mommy, for trusting us once again with the celebration. We shall up the game and create more memories. My team is so excited. We're ready to start working on her theme because the girl knows what she wants. Vuyokazi reposted this, of course, and she said, I can't wait. You guys did a great job last year. We're going bigger this year. Now, guys, last year, you'd remember that Vuyokazi did share some pictures of Vuyokazi celebrating her 5th birthday, and it was all so cutesy. And you know what? This got me thinking, guys. You know, the biggest breakthrough, well, according to me, that a woman or a single parent or just a mother in general can get, guys, is to be able to have the finances to freely do whatever you want for your kids. Yes, there are those baby daddies, guys, who will send money each and every month, but you can't always be waiting for the 25th of each and every month to do small things or to do things for your children, especially if when you have a certain type of lifestyle that you want your children to live. When you've got your own money, guys, you're not waiting for no one to be, you don't have to be sitting down with people negotiating costs. Then the file says, it's too much. Uyazenzela. And I'm just thinking of where Vuyokazi is coming from, guys. The way she has just grown as a brand to an extent where she can even freely say that, you know what, this year we are going bigger. And this is not even to say Uguti before she was famous, that she was poor or anything, but imali abazali, guys, is not the same as imali yako. And that's because at times you can't live the type of life you want to live with budget yabazali or someone else's budget. So that really was so heartwarming for me. And you know what, guys, in this 2026 single mothers nje bandla, ingati ningapopa, guys, to an extent where you guys can freely do whatever you want to do for your kids. Do that birthday celebration that people are like, no, you're wasting money. Ingane ncane, wati. That 1 year birthday celebration where people like the children is not gonna remember anything. Like, you know what, guys? May 2026 be that year for you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. We can't wait to see how this deco company gets to combine or puts to fruition the idea or whatever Vuyokazi wants. We can't wait to see it. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.